Instant Pot 6QT VORTEX Plus Air Fryer, 6-in-1, Air Fry, Broil. Dehydra is a home and kitchen item for a specific everyday need. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied catalog lists 6 cooking functions: air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, or reheat with little to no P. Another listed detail is adjustable temperature. Dial it in from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 to 205 degrees Celsius. For perfectly crispy, go. Also listed, user-friendly operation. One-touch settings make everything from chicken wings to cinnamon. Before buying, confirm included items, dimensions, and compatibility notes. The limitation is fit. Check the exact variant and your intended use before ordering. Use the supply details to confirm the version that suits your routine. Overall, Instant Pot 6QT VORTEX Plus Air Fryer, 6-in-1, Air Fry, Broil. Dehydra fits buyers whose needs match the supported listing details. Others should compare alternatives.